Hi, this video is requested from teachers today about how to install Malwarebytes at home and how to use it to scan either at home or at school. So if you Google the word Malwarebytes, it's going to come right up. That's how you spell it, Malwarebytes. You can go right to the Malwarebytes free download. This is a free product that you can download and use for nothing. However, if you want it to happen automatically, you have to pay for the premium version. I use the free version. The only thing it doesn't do is it doesn't do these blocking things, but those things it's still going to find those in the scan on the free download. So I use free, but you're more than welcome to pay for it, obviously, if you want to, but you could just go to the free download to download this software and use it on your home computer. Now we have it all on all of the computers here at National Trail, so if you want to run that software, or I'm going to show you how the scan works itself, whenever you open it up, the first thing you want to do, if you are not paying for it, it doesn't update on its own. So you have to go where it says database version and hit the update key. And like I said, the premium version does this on its own, but free works for us. So the first thing I have to do is update the software so that it doesn't say your database is out of date. And basically what Malwarebytes does, the company maintains a site of bad software and bad sites for you that it's going to go and once it's updated, now I've got the current version as of today, and I hit scan. It's going to go through and scan things that are running as well as things that are saved on your hard drive. This process can take up to an hour. I'm going to just let it go and pause this video because obviously we're not going to watch the video for an hour until it's done and gone all the way through all the steps and is finished. Okay, well, my scan finished on my machine, and unfortunately, I don't know if I'm saying that right, I didn't have anything on it. So it says threat identified 0, lets you save your results and hit finish. If I had a virus on it, it would look more like this. It would say what you found, it would say how many things were found, and it would have a button that says remove selected. So the fact that I didn't find something is good, but I can't show you how easy it is to remove. So I would hit remove selected, and then depending on the malware that it found, it may ask to reboot the machine. Now, that's it for using malware. I have one other thing I want to show you, and it's one of the reasons we don't get very much malware at National Trail, because I have something installed on all of our computers that blocks known bad sites from even loading on our computers. So I'm going to show you that next. Okay, so what I did was I Googled the word host file. Now on your computer there's what's called a host file, and that host file tells things where to go on the internet, and usually it's blank. If you go down here to blocking unwanted connections with the host file, MVPS host file, we use this here at National Trail to block unwanted sites. Now the process is pretty easy. You go and you download this host file right here, and this is one that I'm saying it's okay to download. So I'm going to click and save that file. I'm going to go ahead and save it to my downloads while I'm showing you this. Okay, now I'm in my downloads, and there's that host file. If you right click on it and say extract here, or in the case we've got 7-zip, so we're going to go ahead and extract to a folder called hosts. Now it's pretty easy on your personal computer, because when I go to that host file, I can just run this batch file right here. Basically I'd right click on it and say run as administrator, and what that does, I'm going to go ahead and show you. Maybe this file is too complex that you really don't want to see it, but it moves this file right here called hosts. I'll show you what that looks like. It moves this file into a folder on your computer that says, basically, if you try to go to any of these sites, and it's huge, all these are known bad sites. If you try to go to any of these sites like ads.activepower.net, it sends it to 000, which is nowhere, by the way. So it prevents it from even going to any of these sites. So all these things are known bad places. And so by putting a host file in, it prevents your computer from being able to go to any of those sites ever, and it blocks them. So that's one of the kind of additional things that you could do if you wanted to try to protect your home computer. It's already on your computer here at National Trail. It's in a hidden protected folder location, but it does it automatically, and the directions are right there on the website. Oops, sorry, wrong website. Are right there on the website. Basically, I clicked on right here. It says Windows 10 8 directions, Windows 7, Windows. So you can just click here and click on the directions, and it walks you through what you have to do. You unzip that file, and you run the bat file that I just showed you as an administrator, and there's pictures on there. And once it's done, it will be protecting your computer from all those files anywhere. So it's kind of an additional thing you could do at home to protect your computer at home.